Cleaning a microwave filter. Ensure that the microwave is unplugged or disconnected from the power source. To avoid accidents, locate the filters, typically located either on the back wall or beneath the microwave. The filter may have a release latch or screws holding it in place. Use a screwdriver or release latch. Submerge the filter in the soapy water and let it soak for 15 to 30 minutes. This will help loosen any grease, food particles. After soaking, take a soft brush or sponge and gently scrub the filter to remove any remaining dirt or grime. Thoroughly rinse the filter under running water to remove any soap residue. Shake off excess water and pat it dry. Once the filter is dry, align it properly with the designated slot or position in the microwave. While you have the microwave accessible, take the opportunity to wipe down the exterior surfaces with a damp cloth. After completing the cleaning process, ensure that the filter is correctly positioned and restore the microwave power.